The actual trophy, or as close as we're gonna get.
Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. As you can see behind me, we're at the 2019 World Series Parade for the Washington Nationals. Well, about another 30 minutes,
Yes,
I think.
yes.
And this parade will start.
Yep.
The excitement is
Ready to go.
ready to go here. This is great. Look at all the people here.
Keep it moving.
All right, the parade is starting. This place is electrified. the parade's been going for about an hour now, and we're about at the end because here comes the trophy. Well, the craziness is over. Or actually, no, it's not over. Now we gotta try to get to the subway and make it home.
Step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car.
Well, we fought the crowd and we made it back to the parking lot. It was a great parade. We started out about 10:30 this morning, got down there in about 45 minutes, and then waited till 2 o'clock. The parade was about an hour and 15 minutes. And then the trek back as I weave my way through the crowd. And so that's gonna do it for me. That was a great World Series parade. Met a lot of great people. There was probably about 500,000 people there, probably more than that. I guess we'll know later on tonight with the news when they tell us. So on that note, Traveler out.